As per the instructions, the batteries have been installed in the remote control. However, the LED light on the remote control does not turn on. Turn the power switch to on, off, on. Doesn't work at all. The helicopter, the bottom, you can plug in your connector here to charge it. It should charge. So it seems to be charged. However, as you see here, you push to the bottom and nothing happens. No response from the helicopter at all, no matter what you do. On, off, on, pull to the bottom, nothing. No response from the remote control at all.